things you don't know as African, or things you need to know, or things you need to consider. I make a video about the people of South Sudan, and some people are making some nasty, irrelevant comment in the comment section. Let me go back to the video. Some people from South Sudan come to me and they send me text for long. I never respond to it. Although number one, I've been busy with a lot of things. But even if I don't respond to your call, you send me a message, I read and I put it in my mind. And I wait for the right time to speak about it. The people in South Sudan, a lot of tribes are complaining. We all know how South Sudan come out from Sudan. And we see their struggle. And that is the reason why I always call South Sudan the baby of Africa, because of they just getting independent in 2011. I call them last born of Africa, you know. It doesn't mean because they are small in population. No, I mean when it comes to independence. Okay. Now, some tribes in that country are not feeling comfortable. They are not happy with the current government. And they write letter, they write this, they write that, and they have been complaining on media, which I don't support tribalism. I don't even entertain division or separation. But I think it's good for us to start talking about the problem of Africa within Africa. All of you telling me in the comment section, don't talk about them. Go and use your platform for something good. Don't involve this. Don't say this about us. Don't talk about it. Hey, shut the fuck up because you don't have sense. If South Sudan have problem and we are able to manage the problem and solve the problem, it's good for South Sudan. People are not happy in the country. They cannot speak in the country. And you think the remaining 53 countries of Africa are not supposed to listen to them? Are you silly? This is how people bring problem to the country. Now, the Nuer people, sorry, apology. They are not feeling comfortable. They cannot speak in the country because they are putting their people and their leaders and their representatives and their heroes, they are putting them in prison. These people now, if they now go on manage to meet Emmanuel Macron, or people that know Macron, or people that know America, and they tender this thing to them that this is what we are feeling in our country, they fail us, we fought for this independence. Do you think America will come and shout on South Sudan? No. They will tell them, no, don't worry. We will help you. They will give them harm. They will not even shout. They will not even call the government of South Sudan in order. They will just tell them, you know what, you are second largest tribe in the country. Go and bombard them. This is how rebellion come in country. When people have home, they cannot speak in their home, and they cannot share their problem with their brethren or their bordering country. No problem will come to the country. You see the reason, small problem almost happen in Nigeria when some Nigerians go to America to go and complain that they are not okay in the country. America wants to come and bombard them. So do you think if Nigerians are able to contact the remaining African country and we are able to support and push the government, stop this, do you think they will go to America to go and say, you don't have sense? Sense is far away from you. Instead of you to listen and do correction, you want to bring civil war in Africa. We are tired of seeing blood. We are tired of seeing. For long, these people are complaining. Nobody listens to them. Nobody asks questions. Nobody knows how they are feeling. This is how rebel come. This is how revenge will come. This is how they scatter and break up country. So, you should be happy that me as a black woman, I'm able to bring out this problem and say, oh, all of us are supposed to come out and speak about it and focus on South Sudan government and tell them to stop what they are doing because they will cause problem in the country. And these new people have been making videos, shouting on media. Nobody talk to them. Nobody asks them. Everybody ignore. But if these people take arm, they will come and destabilize South Sudan. Sudan is having problem already. Small rebel from Sudan and Chad and everywhere. Danja, we enter Sudan, they bombast everywhere. We will come here, come and shout, freedom for South Sudan, stop killing our people. Huh? Even RSA that is fighting in Sudan right now, they say they have rights. They say they are fighting for their rights. Go to Congo. M23 say they are fighting for their rights. Nobody listen to them. So, if everybody have blocking ear, they cannot listen to people's cry. Me, I can listen. I can listen. And if you don't like me because I speak about something that can bring problem to all of us, then you are a goat. You are a Gambia goat. You are a Gambia goat. I don't blame you because you don't have sense. Sense is very far away from you. Election remain how many weeks? 11 months. All their people are in prison. You think we should not talk about it? You think we should leave Salva Kiir to come and break down the country, destabilize the country, and put problem everywhere? We are now running up and down. Do you know how many problems we have in Africa? You think we want to add South Sudan problem to it? Are you silly? South Sudan, please drink water. Now, when it comes to the issue of the Dinka, I don't say Dinka are bad people. Listen here, I know a lot of Dinkas. I know South Sudan very well. But it doesn't mean because I know, I will not listen to people's problem or people's cry, or people's complaint, or people's art problem. You understand? The reason why the Biafra take arm is because they say people don't listen to them. Nobody answer them. Nobody feel their pain. Nobody feel their sympathy. No, they cannot talk